This is a pre-built gaming desktop that sits right in that interesting space between budget performance and entry-level enthusiast gaming. It's not trying to be the most powerful machine on the market, but instead focuses on delivering a balanced experience for everyday gaming, streaming, and general use. Inside, the system is powered by an Intel Core i7-6800K processor. While this is not the newest generation chip, it still offers solid multi-core performance that holds up well in gaming and multitasking scenarios. It is paired with an AMD Radeon RX 580 graphics card with 8 GB of VRAM, which continues to be one of the most widely used budget GPUs for smooth 1080p gameplay. Memory is handled by 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is currently the sweet spot for modern gaming. It allows smooth switching between applications, stable gameplay performance, and decent multitasking without noticeable slowdowns in most real-world usage scenarios. For storage, this desktop includes a dual-drive configuration. You get a 512 GB SSD for fast boot times, quick game loading, and responsive system performance, along with a 1 TB HDD that provides additional space for large game libraries, media files, and backups. This combination ensures both speed and capacity without forcing compromises. Out of the box, the system runs on Windows 11, making it ready for immediate use. Setup is straightforward, and users can get into gaming or productivity tasks within minutes of powering it on. Design-wise, this PC embraces the modern gaming aesthetic. A transparent side panel showcases the internal components, while RGB lighting across the fans adds a customizable visual element. The lighting setup gives it a more premium gaming feel, especially in darker environments or RGB-themed setups. In terms of performance, this configuration is primarily targeted at 1080p gaming. Competitive titles such as Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, Fortnite, Apex Legends, and League of Legends run smoothly with high frame rates and stable performance. These are the types of games where this system really performs well without struggle. For more demanding AAA titles, performance is still playable, but settings adjustments are required. Medium to high settings are generally recommended depending on the game optimization. While it is not designed for Ultra 4K gaming, it still provides a stable and enjoyable experience at 1080p resolution, which remains the most common gaming standard worldwide. The RX 580 continues to be a reliable budget GPU option. Even though it belongs to an older generation, its 8 GB VRAM helps it stay relevant in many modern games. Combined with the i7-6800K, the system delivers a balanced CPU-GPU performance profile that avoids major bottlenecks in typical gaming workloads. Beyond gaming, this desktop is also suitable for general productivity tasks. Web browsing, office work, streaming content, and light creative tasks such as photo editing or basic video editing can be handled without major issues. However, heavier professional workloads may require more powerful hardware. One of the strongest advantages of this system is its upgrade flexibility. Since it is built on a standard desktop platform, users can upgrade components over time. This includes increasing RAM, upgrading the GPU, or expanding storage capacity. This makes it a more long-term flexible option compared to closed or compact systems. Connectivity is also well covered. With support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, the system ensures faster wireless speeds and better compatibility with modern accessories such as wireless headphones, controllers, keyboards, and other peripherals. Cooling is managed through multiple RGB fans that help maintain airflow throughout the case. For this level of hardware, thermal performance is stable during regular gaming sessions. It is designed for consistent everyday use rather than extreme overclocking or heavy workstation workloads. It is important to understand the positioning of this machine. This is not a high-end gaming rig built for ultra settings or future AAA titles at maximum graphics. Instead, it focuses on delivering dependable 1080p gaming performance at an accessible price point. For users transitioning from consoles or older PCs, this system offers a noticeable upgrade in both performance and flexibility. It provides a smooth entry into PC gaming without requiring a premium investment. Overall, This desktop is built for users who want a ready-to-use gaming setup with solid performance, RGB aesthetics, and upgrade potential, all while staying within a reasonable budget range. For pricing, availability, and current deals, check the link provided in the description.